Ooey Gooey magic cookie bars. So adaptable and so easy to make.
Well, I'm ready to make some magic cookie bars, but I don't quite have the ingredients it calls for, so I just thought I'd make my own little adaptation. To begin with, I don't have graham cracker crumbs, but what I do have is vanilla wafers. And I also do not have chocolate chips, but I do have the white melting chips. And I've got some butterscotch chips, so I thought, well, I'll just make it a butterscotch magic cookie bar. So we're going to start out with melting a stick of butter in this 9 by 13 pan. I got my butter melted in my pan. I was having a problem with my pan being unlevel, so I've kind of stuck some dish towels and pot holders in here trying to level it out. Now I took my vanilla wafers and crumbled them up in my Ninja blender, so I'm just going to spread those over there. Might use the bag, a little bit of bag. Okay, now I'm ready to take my sweetened condensed milk and spread it over here. Now the magic cookie bars was something that our relatives used to bring all the, during Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever the special occasion was. It's not anything I remember having on a regular basis. It was usually just during the holidays. But I have a friend whose husband died, and so I'm going to make these up to take over there. We're ready for the ingredients. Like I said before, I didn't have the chocolate chips, so I'm going to use these white morsels, which is really basically vanilla flavored. And just kind of spread this out all over. I've got my coconut. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to add my butterscotch morsels. I put up my butterscotch morsels, so now let me top it with some nuts. This can be walnuts, this can be pecans, whichever you prefer. This one thing about this dish is just so adaptable. Okay, and now once more I'm going to press everything down real good. I'm just going to go ahead and use this plastic bag. Now if I had some rubber gloves, I could have used some rubber gloves, but I think this will just work out perfect. Okay. Get that going. And now I'm ready to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, I let these cook for about 25 or 30 minutes. And then I let them cool for a good hour before I try to cut them. They are so yummy and so sweet, so easy to make, and your family and friends are just going to love them.
Homemade cooking is easy and pleasing. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these easy to make and easy to please recipes.